If Gimp is showing the error opening file true, don't worry. This usually means Gimp is reading a wrong launch argument, a stuck session setting, or a broken recent file entry instead of a real image file. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get Gimp opening normally again. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this one. Let's start with the most likely fix first, because in many cases, the problem is caused by Gimp restoring a bad saved Windows session. Open Gimp, and even if you see the error, continue into the program. Then go up to Edit and click Preferences. On the left-hand side, find Window Management. This section controls how Gimp remembers your workspace when it closes and reopens. Here, look for the option that says Reset Saved Window Positions to Default Values. Click that to clear out any strange saved layout data. After that, temporarily uncheck Save Window Positions on Exit. This prevents Gimp from loading a damaged session the next time it starts. Once you've changed those settings, click OK, then fully close Gimp and reopen it to test whether the error is gone. If the issue is still there, the next thing to clear is the document history. Sometimes Gimp stores a recent file entry that points to something invalid, and that can cause a startup problem. Inside Gimp, go to File, then Open Recent, and then choose Document History. When that list opens, clear the entire history. This removes old file references, including anything that may have been mislabeled or corrupted. After clearing the history, close Gimp again and launch it once more. If the error disappears, then the problem was just a bad recent file record. Now let's move on to a very important Windows check, because this error can also happen if your shortcut is passing the word true as a command line argument. This is more common than people realize. Right-click your Gimp desktop shortcut, or if you launch it from the Start menu, choose Open File Location. Then right-click the actual Gimp shortcut or executable entry and choose Properties. In the Properties window, look at the target box carefully. The target should end cleanly with the Gimp executable, like gimp version.exe, and nothing suspicious after it. If you see extra text after the closing quote, such as true, a, or any other random argument, delete that extra text. Only keep the actual program path. This matters because even one incorrect word can make Gimp think it needs to open a file called true every time it starts. After fixing the target path, click Apply, then OK, and launch Gimp again. If the shortcut was the problem, this should solve it immediately. It's also a good idea to check whether you have more than one Gimp shortcut on your system, because sometimes one shortcut is correct and another one is broken. Test launching from the real executable if possible, not just the shortcut, so you can confirm the difference. If you want a quick recap, the best order is: first, reset the saved window positions, then clear the document history, and finally inspect the shortcut target for bad arguments. Those 3 steps solve most cases of the opening true error in Gimp. If you still have trouble after that, the next thing to look at would be startup scripts, plugins, or any custom launchers you may have installed. I hope this helped you fix the Gimp error opening file true quickly and safely. If it did, please give the video a like, subscribe for more easy troubleshooting tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Gimp issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.